Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some cloudy conditions across the region this morning. Taking a quick look at the radar, you can see we do have a few light rain showers across the western portions of the Virginia Eastern Shore this morning. That's going to try to move through the Wallops region next half an hour or so. Could give us a few sprinkles. Otherwise, zooming out, you can see we do have some showers and even some better thunderstorms across the Tidewater this morning, as well as well north and west of our region. I'm going to see a slight chance of a thunderstorm this afternoon, but overall should remain dry today with only about 1/100 of an inch of precipitation or a trace expected this morning. And we'll see, as I mentioned, a slight chance of a thunderstorm mainly north of the region for this afternoon. So taking a look at our current sounding information from this morning, we have a freezing level at 13,900 feet. Winds and light in the low levels this morning, out of the easterly direction about 5 to 10 knots, and turning out of the southwest to west from 6 to 25,000 feet this morning, and light only up to 15 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. So taking a look at our current surface analysis, we have a stationary boundary / warm front across the Tidewater into central Virginia. We have Tropical Storm Fred. It's currently across the northeastern Gulf of Mexico. That's going to be moving towards the panhandle of Florida today. We have high pressure across New England. This area of high pressure will continue to move off the coast. We'll have this boundary start to move towards our region for the overnight hours. That's going to give us a slight chance of a shower overnight. And then we'll have a chance of some thunderstorms popping up tomorrow afternoon, as we'll be in more of a warm sector with this boundary. Should be north of our region by that time. So taking a look at our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have plentiful cloud cover out there this morning, especially in the mid-levels, as well as some low-level cloud cover across the region, seeing that more an abundance of cloud cover across that area where the boundary is, and the rain shower activity across the Tidewater into central Virginia, as well as moving up into western portions of and central Maryland. Looking at our camera shot this morning, you can see we do have that little bit of low-level cloud cover, as well as a good amount of that upper and mid-level cloud coverage across the region, panning across the southern portions of our viewing of the camera here. You can see a good amount of cloud cover across the area. And taking a look at the HERM model for today, you can see we do have that shower activity kind of dying off as we move towards the region this morning, and then we'll see a possibility of a shower thunderstorm popping up around 2 to 3 o'clock this afternoon. Should be north of the region and just outside of 10 nautical miles, but the best chances of showers and thunderstorms activity look to be from the Maryland-Virginia line northward into central Delmarva, seeing a best chance of rainfall across that region today, and we'll have a slight chance of seeing lightning within 10 nautical miles due to those showers and thunderstorms being close to the Maryland-Virginia line today. So moving to the afternoon, evening hours, seeing those showers and thunderstorms off to our north. And then overnight, the HER doesn't really put out any shower and thunderstorm activity, giving us a chance of some showers, that boundary moving through the region, seeing that activity mainly to our north and to our west on the HER here. And then for our Tuesday, you can see we do have a chance of some pop-up showers and thunderstorms with some sea breeze boundaries moving on shore. And looks like we'll have about a 25% chance of that occurring tomorrow. And then for our Wednesday, you're going to see more activity moving west of the region, with the remnants of Fred moving well west of our area, and that'll continue to track west of our area, but that's going to give us a good chance of some rainfall Thursday morning, looks like, with that tropical moisture moving into the region at that time. Looking at the European model for the next few days, you can see Tropical Storm Fred moving onshore near the central panhandle of Florida for this evening. We'll see that shower and thunderstorm activity, mainly north and west of our region for this afternoon and the evening hours I mentioned. Then moving in, we can see the Euros kind of hinting at that shower activity moving through with that frontal boundary moving through the region tonight. And then tomorrow, looking like we'll have a chance of some showers and thunderstorms popping up along the sea breeze boundaries. And then for Wednesday, another slight chance of sea breeze boundary shower and thunderstorm activity. So slight chances the next 3 days. Well, once moving to Thursday, looks like that tropical moisture is going to be moving through the region with a good chance of shower and thunderstorms for Thursday afternoon. The best chance of rainfall looks right now Thursday morning and then continuing on in the afternoon with more thunderstorm activity possible for the afternoon hours. Right now, it doesn't look like the best weather for our RockSat mission. However, we'll continue to monitor this as seeing how quickly Fred and the remnants of that tropical moisture moves through the region on Thursday. Could see better conditions for Thursday evening compared to Thursday afternoon, but right now looks like a fairly unsettled weather pattern for Thursday. And moving into Friday, we'll see another boundary across the region for Friday with an upper level disturbance moving through. That's going to give us some more chances of showers and thunderstorms for Friday afternoon, evening. And then Saturday, very similar conditions. We'll have an upper level low over the eastern portion of the United States and over the mid-Atlantic. That's going to give us some decent instability for the afternoon hours on Saturday and even into Sunday. So looking like a fairly unsettled weather pattern once we move from Thursday through Sunday of this week. So looking at our risk chart for today, we'll have that slight chance of rain shower moving through this morning. High today around 81 degrees, low tonight around 73. We'll see overall light winds today, mainly out of the east to southeast, peaking at southeast 7 to 12 knots, and then light overnight anywhere from the southeast 5 to 10 knots, becoming steadily at 4 to 8 knots. Slight chances, some low clouds overnight as well, with those light winds and our higher humidity values that we're seeing currently. And we'll have that slight chance of seeing lightning within 10 nautical miles this afternoon, with a thunderstorm possibly popping up near that Virginia-Maryland line and northward. So looking about a 20% chance of that occurring. Most likely won't see it and will most likely be north of the 10 nautical mile marker, but can't rule it out as it will be close, it looks like. So for our 24-hour terminal forecast, going to see that low-level cloud cover in here and in and out of the region for this morning, seeing a scatter deck around 1,300 feet, broken deck at 11,000, broken deck at 25,000 feet as well. So seeing some peaks of sunshine in and out for today, but overall going to see a good amount of mid and upper level cloudiness across the region to give us mostly cloudy conditions. As I mentioned, we'll have that slight chance of that thunderstorm mainly north of the region for this afternoon, and then during the overnight hours we'll have a slight chance of a rain shower moving through that boundary, moving through the region, and then by tomorrow morning should see mostly cloudy conditions to partly cloudy conditions. We'll be in the warm sector, it looks like, of that boundary moving north of the region. That's going to give us less mid-level cloudiness, it looks like, and more upper-level cloudiness across the region, so seeing that filtered sunshine across the area. Our tides are slightly above normal, and looking at Tuesday into Wednesday. Tuesday, mostly cloudy and humid. A chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm along sea breeze boundary, a high of 83. Tuesday night, partly to mostly cloudy and humid, slight chance of brief rain shower, a low of 74. And for Wednesday, partly to mostly cloudy with a slight chance of an afternoon shower or thunderstorm. It'll be humid and slightly breezy as well, a high of 85. So it looks like about a 25% chance on Tuesday, 20% chance on Wednesday. So low-end chances here. Can't rule it out, and a slightly better chance on Tuesday than on Wednesday. So the next 7 days, you can see the slight chances for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And then we really start seeing some unsettled conditions for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Temperatures are going to be fairly typical for this time of year with the higher humidity values. We're seeing highs in the mid-80s to possibly upper 80s for Friday, and seeing temperatures around 85 to 87 degrees from Wednesday through Sunday. We'll see overnight lows in the lower to mid-70s, seeing the warmest overnight lows looks like for Thursday morning and Friday morning. With that tropical moisture in here, going to see those overnight lows bump up a degree or two, and then back to the low 70s for Saturday and Sunday morning. So overall, very typical August weather pattern in store with diurnal showers and thunderstorms across the region. As I mentioned, slightest chance or the lowest chances for today through Wednesday, and then increasing chances with the tropical moisture in here on Thursday, as well as that upper level low looks like it's going to set in place for Friday through Sunday, with some decent chances of showers and thunderstorms as well for those days. Well, that's going to complete our 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be back tomorrow morning at 8:15 at 10 a.m.